Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we haven't done an unboxing in a hot minute, but I have the Ipsy glam bag and the Boxycharm slash Ipsy box right here. I have not done an unboxing for you guys, I think since like November. So I'm here today to show you guys both boxes and let you guys know whether or not they're actually worth it. So you guys want to see what we got this month in January? Well then definitely keep watching. Alrighty guys, so I have not done an Ipsy unboxing in a hot minute. Honestly, I want to know who still gets the subscription boxes. If you do, let me know in the comments below because it's been a hot minute since I've seen anyone like really talk about these or say they get these. I'm kind of wondering how much longer Ipsy will be around for, only because I feel like people are slowly gearing away from subscription boxes and either buying just mystery boxes from a brand or just putting their money elsewhere. I don't really see as much hype around subscription boxes as I once did. So I'm just really curious who still here gets subscription boxes. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these for you guys. Up first, we do have the glam bag. So this actually now retails for $14 a month. And it says that you're going to get 5 personalized deluxe size beauty samples worth up to $70 sent in a cute bag. You also get to choose one product of your bag each month. No wonder this is our most popular membership. God, I remember when this was like $10 and now it's up to $14, which is just crazy. Now I will say in the past, I really have enjoyed the Ipsy glam bags. I do think they're really good because they put a lot of name brands in here. Sometimes they've definitely failed us, but for the majority of the time, I feel like I really have enjoyed the glam bags. So let's see what we got. Okay, so it says Glow Your Soul is what this month's January 2024 is about. First off, we have this bag right here. I don't really think it's the cutest bag. I feel like it's like a little kid bag that you can find at like Claire's or like Forever 21. Like, I don't know. I've never really find myself using this bag, but you know what? It's not about the outside. It's about what's on the inside that counts. Okay. Like that little place. So up first, we have something from Daydreams. I have never heard of this brand. This is the Lucky Chick Daydreams eyeshadow palette. I have never ever heard of this brand before. Okay, so this is how the palette right here looks. They do have a pressed glitter in the center, which is definitely not my favorite. You guys know how I feel about pressed glitters. It's a cute little everyday neutral palette. I think that this is great if you're looking for something just to wear every day, but I never heard of this brand, so I couldn't tell you what the formula is like. I personally am not the biggest fan of the palette itself, just because I like more colorful palettes, but I will say it is cute. I just kind of wish they foregoed that pressed glitter in here. But you will find the Lucky Chick palette inside the $14 glam bag box. Up next, we have something from KC Collection. Okay, so I don't know what this is. It's an island eyeliner. Looks to be in a purple metallic eyeliner shade. Okay, never heard of this brand before. Okay, cool. All right, up next, we have something from Lauren's. This is a vanilla almond body scrub. I have never heard of this. Never heard of Lauren's body scrub. Okay, so this is definitely not what's in here because these girls were advertising like First Aid Beauty, Yensa Beauty, Wing Me Cosmetics. I'm not getting any of that in here, so that's a little misleading. But we have a body scrub from Lauren's. And then next we have something from Vera P. This is a 2020 eye cream. Guess they're starting the eye cream trend all over again in 2024. But here we have a Vera P. This is a 2020 eye cream. And then lastly, we do have a First Aid Beauty. This is the Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. This helps to remove excessive oil and unclogs pores. I really do enjoy First Aid Beauty. I think this is a fantastic product, and I really do enjoy the fact they have this in here. So overall, we got 2 makeup items and 3 non-makeup items in this bag for $14. I still think for $14, this is a pretty good bag because you do get an eyeshadow palette. You got an eyeliner. And then you get some like non-makeup related items like skincare, eye care, and face care, which I think is pretty nice for $14. Is this the best bag? No. Am I excited about this bag? No. But I will say for 14 bucks, pretty nice. It's not a bad gig. Okay, so up next we do have the Ipsy $30 Boxycharm box. So this says all your favorites, full-size Boxycharm delivers you 5 personalized full-size beauty products worth up to $200. Whether you're trying the best or the busiest brands or restocking your supply, there's always so much to love because you get to pick 3 or 5 products each month. So I know this says Ipsy, but this is a Boxycharm box because Ipsy did buy Boxycharm. So see what we got. I'm so curious. All right, so this one's called Glow Your Soul. So we have a nice little like insert in here. So see what we got. All right, up first we have Farrah. This is a smooth focus face primer. I have definitely heard of this brand because they've always put Farrah brushes in here. I'm not seeing it on this little paper, but they've always put Farrah brushes in here. So this is going to be a prep your skin with our smooth focus face primer to unlock the secret of a picture perfect airbrushed appearance. Experience makeup that stays put, looking fresh and radiant all day with our lightweight silky face formula. Okay, maybe we'll have to try this out. All right, cool. Up next, we have something from Glow Recipe. So they threw in the Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. What? I didn't even know they had a sunscreen. This is exciting. I really, really, really do love Glow Recipe. And I get a lot of my Glow Recipe products actually from these boxes. Oh my gosh, I am excited. Does this smell good? It smells like a nice little tourist moment at Disney. Ooh, I love that. That's very lightweight. Okay, this is exciting. This I'm excited about. That is freaking awesome. Up next, we have something from LYS. We have a Lash Confidence. This is Curl Length Volume Clean Mascara. I really started to get into this brand because they have one of my favorite like cream bronzers ever. So I'm actually really excited to try out this mascara. What? Not my favorite wand shape. She's a little thick. I like more of a thinner wand, but this is exciting. LYS. Okay, now they're starting to get me excited about this stuff. Okay. All right, cool. Up next, we have something from Feel, and it's opened. This is a Sequilene facial oil. So this is a Super Giraffe Sequilene 90% facial oil that reduces wrinkles. Haven't heard of this brand, but cool. And then lastly, they threw in a palette from Seraphine by Tentacles. This is their Geranium and Glow Blush and Highlight Palette. Curious to see what this looks like. It says, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. It's cute. This is definitely a cute palette for sure. Very, very light. Perfect in time for the spring season, actually. That's everything we got in the Boxycharm box. It looks like they also have some January picks that are not featured in here. There was the Ofra Signature palette that could have been in this box. We had some ABH. It looks like ABH highlighters or highlighter stick. We have some Ren Skincare in here as well that could have been featured in this box as well. So overall, we got 3 makeup products and 2 skincare products, which again, I think is a really great value for what you're paying for. I mean, this alone is like $30 alone pretty much. So I feel like for you spending $30 to get this box, it's actually a pretty good deal. Now, is it the most exciting? No, the only thing I'm really excited about is actually the Glow Recipe and the LYS mascara. Everything else I'm kind of like, I'm not as excited about. Now, I think the reason why I'm not as excited is because I love seeing stuff like Glow Recipe and LYS. I mean, like legit, Boxycharm and Ipsy used to be the brand that would put like Natasha Denona, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Huda Beauty, Charlotte Tilbury. They would put brands that you find at Sephora and Ulta into these boxes for a very affordable price. And I feel like they definitely have shifted that over the years, and now they're, you know, going out and getting stuff like Farrah. I'm not saying this is not a good primer, it very well could be, but these are brands I don't really know too much, and I don't really know where to get them because I don't really find them inside the stores. So while it's cool to be introduced to new brands because you can find some amazing products in there, at the same time, I miss the old Boxycharm when they would throw in like Glow Recipe and stuff that we would know and love, and I really do miss those. And I feel like if they were to kind of bring those brands back, that these subscription boxes would become popular again, if that makes any sense. Either way, I will say for $30, it's good value. It's not my favorite, but it's a good value for what it is. And I will forever be grateful to Ipsy and Boxycharm for always sending these my way. They have always been so kind to me the last 4 years. It's been really cool to get these boxes, but I just wish that we can see some changes coming up this year and see some more relevant brands that people, you know, want to see in here, like Drunk Elephant or or the Drunk Elephant or Rare Beauty or Urban Decay, like things that people know and love. It'd be kind of cool to see these back in here again, but we'll see. We'll see what happens this year. But that is my quick little Ipsy unboxing. What did you guys think of these boxes? Did you guys like them? Did you not? Let me know. Do you guys even get these anymore? Let me know in the comments below. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.